Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. It's been a long time since I opened up Neko Atsume, but I recently got a request to make Snowball. I think this app is actually really underrated for how cute it is, and the creators are actually still keeping it updated, and I'd love to make more from this game. Here's a list of everything you need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is linked to the description and is for free for my DeviantArt. Once you have all of the pieces, make sure to cut them out carefully following the key in the top left corner. The first thing you need to do is to sew up all the darts on the first head side. Repeat for the second head side. On the side with no tracing, join the eyes and mouth onto the head using a reference image. I used a running stitch to join it. Then take two of the four ear pieces and sew them together with the tracing facing up, leaving the bottom edge open. When you reach the other side, flip it the right way up and repeat for the remaining two pieces. Place the two head pieces together with the tracing showing and begin joining them together, leaving the edge with four darts on it open at the bottom. Once you reach the top corner, tuck in the earpiece so it points inwards and join it in. Add in the next ear when you reach the opposite corner, making sure it points in the same direction. For the body, sew up the dart on the front of the body. Sew up the dart on each piece of the back body. Along the side with the dart on the back body pieces, place them both with the tracing showing and sew along the curve only. Align the four paws to the front body and sew them around only the curved side, leaving the straight edge open. Then, place the back body pieces onto the front body and join it, joining each paw piece as you go along so they're only joined to the back body along the remaining open straight edge. Once done, flip the body the right way up and stuff it. Take the headpiece and use an invisible stitch to join it to the body. Flip the body around and use a back stitch to join the black cross to the back. Place both tail pieces with the tracing facing up and sew them together, leaving the straight edge open. Then flip it the right way up and stuff it. Finally, use an invisible stitch to join it just above the cross. And that is how you make a Snowball plushie. If you have any other Neko Atsume requests, make sure to let me know. I've played it since it was released in 2014. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!